Welcome to the overview of the Cargolog device. This advanced data logging solution comes in various models, each offering different configurations to meet the needs of your specific applications. Let's take a closer look at some key elements of the Cargolog device. Please refer to the documentation supplied with your specific model for detailed information on its features and functions. Each Cargolog device is identified by its serial number, a unique code specific to your unit, and the article number, which defines its model type. Keep an eye on the next calibration date to maintain the accuracy of your measurements. Regular calibration is crucial for reliable data logging. You can also check the calibration due date directly in the Cargolog Connect software. For instructions on how to recalibrate your device, please contact Mobitron support. Installing the Cargolog 3rd Gen is simple, thanks to the center hole design. Just use one M8 screw to mount it securely. Mobitron offers a range of mounting accessories to ensure secure and flexible installation of your Cargolog device. For more information or consultation on installation methods, feel free to contact Mobitron. The fixing point on the underside ensures the device is always mounted correctly, keeping the axes aligned for accurate acceleration measurements. All devices feature sensor protection. This is especially useful for models with temperature and humidity sensors, shielding them from direct contact without affecting measurements. Your Cargolog device offers flexibility with its battery compartment. The battery compartment is customized based on the customer's order, with either an AA or C cell option. Customers can choose between alkaline or lithium metal batteries, depending on transport conditions and duration. Compatible with both AA and C batteries. For devices with LTE GSM functionality, use 2C lithium metal batteries. The light sensor automatically adjusts the brightness of the LED display based on the surrounding light conditions, making it easy to read in any environment. Start by attaching the LTE antenna. LTE antenna should be installed before the GPS antenna, as it needs to be screwed in securely. To record precise GPS location data, connect the antenna to the GPS socket. When attaching the GPS antenna, make sure to press it firmly into place. You'll hear a click when the antenna is securely connected. When you press the button and the device is not programmed, the status LED will show red. If the LED is yellow, it means the device is programmed, but the measurement hasn't started yet. A blinking yellow LED indicates the device is programmed, but you need to start the measurement manually. To start them manually, you need to hold the button down for 10 to 12 seconds. During this time, the LED will change from blinking yellow to solid green, indicating that the measurement has begun. Now you can release the button. If the LED shows blue, the measurement has stopped because it reached its scheduled end date. The device is no longer active. A blinking blue LED means the measurement stopped because the memory is full. A blinking violet LED shows the device has restarted after being in low power mode, which can happen if the button was pressed or the battery was changed. Press the button again to view the normal status of the device. The device's LED sensor indicators provide quick visual feedback. The LED indicators for the sensors, including acceleration, temperature, humidity, angle, pressure, GPS, LTE, GSM, and others, are designed to provide visual feedback regarding their status. Unlit means the sensor is inactive. Solid green shows that the sensor is programmed and all values are within safe limits. No alarm levels have been exceeded. Red signals that an alarm threshold has been exceeded. A blinking red LED indicates a sensor error. For example, if there's an issue with the GPS antenna, the GPS LED will blink red, signaling the problem. Blue appears during formatting, showing the operation is in progress. The battery LED indicator shows the battery status. 3 green LEDs, high battery level, 2 green LEDs, medium battery level, 1 green LED, low battery level, 1 red LED, critically low battery level. To connect your Cargolog device to the Cargolog Connect application, follow these simple steps. Start by opening the Cargolog Connect application on your computer. Plug the USB-C cable into your Cargolog device, then connect the other end to your computer. Once connected, the communication center will appear automatically. If it doesn't, click Connected in the main menu. From here, you can read data, download new settings, activate or format the device. The communication LED shows various modes. Yellow, serial communication mode is enabled. Flashing yellow, data exchange via a serial interface. Flashing red, communication error requiring attention. Follow the on-screen instructions to complete your desired action. To ensure proper connectivity, always use the designated version of Cargolog Connect software for data logging and monitoring. You're now ready to use your Cargolog device. This concludes our brief overview of the Cargolog device. For more details, always refer to the specific documentation provided with your model. Thank you for choosing Cargolog.